You okay?
Okay na po. Tara na.
Yeah.
Baka hinahanap na po tayo ni Don Felipe. Don Felipe. Coffee po muna kayo.
Thank you, Iha. Sabayan mo kaya?
Po?
Sabayan mo din. Hindi ka naman ata nag-e-exercise.
Hindi po. Okay na po yung pag-exercise na yung paglalaba, paglilis. Okay na po yun.
Do you go to the gym often in Belgium?
Ako po?
Yeah, Lolo. It's my way of relieving my stress from, you know.
Tanya, kuhanan mo nga ng tubig si Tim.
Sige po.
How are you, Apo? I mean, we never really had the chance to talk about the separation since you got here.
To be honest, Lolo, it has been really hard lately. Accepting that Mom and Dad are over. I thought we were going to be a happy family. If not for that home-wrecking woman, you know.
Iho, there are things in life that we cannot really control. I guess the separation is better for you and your mom.
I don't know, Lolo. Hindi naasahan eh. Ang akala ko, we will always be this picture-perfect family. Unfortunately, we're not.
So, is that the reason why nagre-rebelde ka and got with the wrong crowd? And the toxic girlfriend? Ay, Apo.
Ano nangyayari sa kanila?
Kaya nga eh.
Uy! Hindi sa'yo yan.
Ito naman eh.
Palitan mo yan. Talaga.
Sino sila ganyan?
Sir Tim!
Tanya, gising ka pa pala? Hey, come join me.
Pogi mo talaga.
Ha?
Ganda ng gabi. Sir Tim, okay ka lang ba?
Yeah. I mean, why'd you ask?
Hindi ko kasi sinasadya na marinig na meron kayong pinagdadaanan ng mami mo. Ganon.
Yeah, about that. Naghiwalay na sila ng dad ko. And I'm trying to stay strong for us. I ended up disappointing her. Imbes na maging mabuting anak, naging rebelde pa ako. And I'm not proud of it, you know?
Sir Tim, lahat naman tayo nagkakamali eh. Bata pa tayo.
Yeah. What about you? Bakit parang palagi kang happy and bubbly? I mean, don't get me wrong. I know what happened to Naimayat and your dad. Actually, I was here nung, you know.
Tinanggap ko na lang. Sa sitwasyon kasi ni Nay at Tay, mas mabuti na maghiwalay na sila ng landas. Ang hirap kasi yung nasasaktan ka na nga emotionally, pati physically nasasaktan ka rin. Kaya alam mo, Hindi ko hahayaan na merong lalaking mananakit sa akin. I am strong as my mother.
How I wish I was as strong as you are.
You will be, sir. Uy, salamat.
May girlfriend pala si Tim, no? Selos ka?
Hindi. Ikaw, selos ka?
Nagsasabi mo.
Sus! Hoy, akala mo hindi ko alam ha? May crush ka sa akin, no?
Oy! Feeling mo.
Wow! Hoy, totoo. Bakit? Teka, akin na to. Bakit may picture ako dyan sa pitaka mo?
Paano
Ano?
nalaman?
Siyempre, nakita ko. Patingin! Tingin nga ako!
Eh, gusto ko lang naman lagi kang safe eh. Tsaka, ayaw ko masaktan.
Ano yun? May inaasahan ba silang bisita ngayon?
Alam ko wala eh. Girlfriend ba yun ni Tim? Di naman maganda.